Hello. My name is Sarah, and I work as a nurse at the local hospital. I started this job 2 years ago, and I really enjoy it. Every day is different, and I love helping people feel better. I usually start my day early, around 7 a.m. When I arrive at the hospital, I check the schedule to see which patients I will be taking care of. My job involves many tasks, like taking patients' temperatures, giving them medicine, and talking to them to make sure they feel comfortable. One of the most important parts of my job is listening to the patients. Sometimes, they are nervous or in pain, and talking to them helps them feel calmer. I also work closely with doctors to make sure each patient gets the right treatment. My job can be challenging because I need to stay focused and calm, even when things get busy. However, it is also very rewarding when I see patients recover and go home feeling better. I usually finish work around 3 p.m., but sometimes I stay longer if there is an emergency. After work, I like to relax by reading a book or taking a walk in the park. I feel proud to be a nurse because I know I am making a difference in people's lives.